Like this, yo. Hey, yo, we gonna slow it down for a minute. You know what it is, man. Yo. Hey, yo, they say in the air is contagious. If you wanna be great, you gotta hang around greatness. Hey, yo, you niggas know, man, it ain't no fucking whim. If you hang around broke niggas, you gonna be broke like them. So I've separated myself from the phonies and realized that niggas could never just clone me. You can't see me, you can't be me. I was on a post early, dog, like Wheaties. And I don't care, nigga, wordy bitch. I know how to move that dirty bitch. These niggas trust me with the whole 36. Deliver to them, dog, and get paid. I ain't gotta pay shit for none of that. Niggas can't see it, no addict. Y'all nigga talk, I be serving them addicts and I let them fucking have it. But most of these niggas is too pragmatic. They only believe what's in front of them, so they can't get no further. Nigga, hey yo, niggas ain't something to teach. I don't care, nigga, I don't really fucking preach. We don't wanna admit things that's really out of reach, but that's just the way it is, like Tupac on Changes. You don't want it with me, dog, I go through stages. Caught up in the matrix, caught up in these mazes. I don't give a fuck, man, this shit's so amazing. You don't really know, man, no, it ain't nothing. I ain't really bluffing, cutting all these onions, and I wouldn't trade my life for nothing. Listen, I got a really just a mission. Yeah, no, nigga, man, I'm really on collision. And with the blissing, but my grams just flipping. Till I get $1 million, that's my fucking ambition. Y'all niggas listen, go ahead, pay attention. Real, I'm really on a mission. Really gram fucking flipping. Y'all niggas know really ain't no competition. Yeah, man, grams, and I see $1 fucking million, that's my ambition. And I ain't no harder, man, no nigga, man, I go fucking harder, grind, man, I motherfucking ain't no harder. My ambition as a motherfucking rider, got your fucking bitch, and I slide up in really side her, all in the vagina, and I really side, really wind her. You take that bitch to Double T Diner and wine her. Man, ain't no afro, chalk you like a classroom. Yeah, I'm serving dope fiends right in the bathroom. You don't wanna rap, I don't give a fuck, proof that moose, man, to who it I don't care about you coons, put you in a blue lagoon. You ain't really seeing soon. You niggas is gonna make it right on the news. You ain't gonna live till the next day noon. Cause you niggas is buffoons.